Greetings, valued customers, esteemed subscribers. This is ISON, the top-ranked brand in the global professional video surveillance industry. In this video, we will have a review of a professional 16-channel IP PoE video recorder. The ISON-NVR16POE model with the light attachment. It can accommodate up to 2 discs with SATA 2, SATA 3 connectors, 3.5 inches in size, specialized for video surveillance systems. Installation is necessary. Let's have a look at the video recorder. On the exterior, we can observe 3 indicator lights here in this particular model. This is the cloud working indicator lamp, this is the hard disk indicator lamp, this is the internet indicator lamp, this is the power indicator lamp. On the rear side, we are able to see a total of 16 power over Ethernet ports in operation. Here we have connectors for analog microphone input-output. These connectors are provided in case you already have a system in place and an analog microphone, so you can conveniently connect it if desired. But the video recorder supports cameras with built-in microphones as well as cameras with microphone input. This way the sound recording will be of higher quality, therefore I recommend using this more modern option. Here's the HDMI port. You can watch videos in the highest quality 4K resolution through it. Here the old VGA connector can be connected to a monitor or an old television. But the quality won't be great, 720p max. So if you want to watch the picture in max quality, connect via HDMI. Alarm connectors traditionally, here is the network connector. You can connect the video recorder to the internet or to the network. Another USB port for a mouse or flash drive. Here is a socket for plugging in a plug. Here is its own cooler, and also here is the power switch. Overall, about this video recorder, it can be said that it is a very powerful video recorder. It supports all 16 cameras at the same time in the highest resolution without any loss in bitrate, without any decrease in FPS. This is a common issue that arises with video recorders of high standards. When you connect up to 16 cameras, each with 8 megapixels, some of the cameras may experience a drop in bitrate, which ultimately leads to a degraded image quality. In essence, you end up paying a significant amount for quality video surveillance that performs worse than a 1 megapixel camera. However, this powerful video recorder does not have this issue. It has the capability to support all 16 cameras, allowing for connections of up to 12 megapixels each. As a result, it displays all 16 cameras in maximum resolution with the highest FPS as specified by the camera and at the maximum bitrate. Now let me tell you about the NVR16P video recorder lineup. There is the most basic recorder, the ISON-NVR16, the most affordable model recorder without built-in PoE. We've reviewed it on our channel, so you can check it out separately for more information. Next is the ISON-NVR16POE recorder. Here we have the light and standard models NVR16POE. Here camera support goes up to 16 units, and in the standard model, also known as ISON-NVR16POE, up to 32 cameras can be connected. Now let's take a look at the video recorder control menu. Here the system prompts us to select a language. All popular programming languages are supported. Let's leave English as the default language. Here the system prompts us to enter a password. The default password for all ISON recorders is 12345. Click on the login button. Here you need to verify if your current time matches the specified settings accurately. Click on the next button. These settings pertain to the network configuration of the video recorder itself. These are the network settings for the cameras that will be connected. Here you will see all the hard drives that you have connected to the system for storage. Here the system provides us with the option to change the password and set security questions. We click on exit and proceed to enter the main menu. All of our cameras are displayed here. When we hover the mouse over a camera, a pop-up window appears. You can enable control for pan, tilt and zoom if you have a camera that is equipped with these options connected to your system. You can double-click on the window to open it in full screen. Moreover, you have the option to double-click to return. To access the main menu, right-click the mouse. Here you can choose from different camera views, selecting the number you need. Click on this option to access the primary menu. There are a lot of different functions and settings here. I will show you the main ones that you might use. So this is our standard display window. Here is the window for playing back the content that we have. Click here to reset information to a flash drive. Here are the settings, general system information, and for example, theoretically, you can upgrade your video recorder here. In the top right corner, you have the option to turn off the video recorder or restart it, depending on your preference and needs.